So what is up, welcome people, this is IL the General TV. If you are new to this channel, explore the playlist where we post different content types and we categorize into gist. We have animal dreams, we have exclusive news from around the world, street performances, many others. So do well to explore our playlist section and then enjoy the channel. Make sure you're subscribed, you're liking, you're sharing. Thank you. Explore the next video. Okay, what is up, welcome people, welcome once again to another episode from news around the world playlist and right here on IL the General TV. Today we are bringing you something from Elon Musk, who has invented a device that will let the blind see. All right, he has invented this device that will let the blind see. So Elon Musk's company, which is called Neuralink, has invented this device called the blind sight that will enable those who have lost both their eyes and their optic nerve to see again. And blind sight will also enable those who are blind from birth to see for the very first time. And he made this announcement yesterday on his X account while thanking the US Food and Drug Administration for the approval given to the device. The blind sight device from Neuralink will enable those who cannot see and have lost both eyes and their optic nerve to see again. And provided the visual cortex is intact, it will even enable those who have been blind from birth to see for the first time. And to set these expectations correctly, the vision will be first be low resolution like Atari graphics, but eventually it has the potential to be better than the natural vision, enable you to see in infrared and ultraviolet or even radar wavelengths like Jordi LaForge. So this is much appreciated technology, and we hope that it goes a long way to help the blind who have not seen from birth and who also became blind as a result of some form of accident to see once again, yet again in their lives. This is the best invention so far, we hope so, from Elon Musk, and we are going to see how this will work in our current century. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to IL the General TV. Check out our playlist. We have the gist playlist, news from around the world, dreams and interpretations, many for you. So it's just all for you. Make sure you subscribe, you like, you share. Peace out. If you are new to this channel, explore the playlist where we post different content types and we categorize into gist. We have animal dreams, we have exclusive news from around the world, street performances, many others. So do well to explore our playlist section and then enjoy the channel. Make sure you're subscribed, you're liking, you're sharing. Thank you. Explore the next video.